So welcome to JStudios. I will show you how to make a reset button. So you're going to need a command block. So if you're playing console, sorry, this one's not going to work for you. A choice of block and a button. So what we're doing is a fill command, so that's kind of a representation of what that would look like. These two golden blocks are representing, this one's representing X1, Y1, Z1. So they're all locations. Like right now it says position, 801 is my X, 71 is my Y, and minus 413 is my Z. And then this one represents X2, Y2, and Z2. Now you're gonna find where you want to place it. So say if you wanted it to be over here, you just place your command block over here, and we're gonna put in the command /fill, and then you're gonna put in your coordinates, which is where those two golden blocks were for me. So you're gonna put, for me, I'm gonna put 802, 68, minus 412, 806, 73, minus 416. What? No. 16. There we go. And then you're going to put in air. Now let's give it a test. 2 blocks were filled, which is where my 2 of my golden blocks were. So just to give you an example, there's that. Now to give you the best example I can, I'm going to replace air in this command block with blue lapis. So I'll just do blue concrete instead. Just put concrete wrong, didn't I? No. So I'm just going to put in concrete since blue concrete didn't work. Okay. As you see, that did that, and it filled that whole place with that. Just let me switch this to day. There we go. Now I'm going to switch it back to air. Show you on this one example how much it gets replaced. All of it, which is 150 blocks. So, and there you have it. There you have yourself a reset button. See you in the next one.